See, what some people don't realize is that you can't stereotype my group as a hip-hop group. Because we do it all. Hip-hop, trance, pop, techno, rock, R&B, you name it, we've done it. It don't matter to me if a beat is hot, we gon' kill it. We out here to make music, bottom line. We have a whole lot of fans from different genres of music, so we gotta make sure that we keep a connection with you know, connected like Tetris. Charge the lights, shine the spotlight, then give me the mic so I can get the crowd hype and make them bounce, 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 bounce. It's beat to the R-O-C, high, from the D-A-C-A-V-A-L-O-Y, the Cat 5. Bounce, 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 bounce. Here we go now, to the people in the front, get it up, to the people in the back, get it up, to the people in the party, get it drunk, trying to get a buzz off that purple stuff. I guess you had too much, cause it's spitting up. Passed out on the floor, you been getting up, about to leave you there, cause we about to get it crunk up in here. We make music, some people call it hip-hop, trance, dance, rock, hip-hop, it don't matter, it's hot. We call it music, 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 music. So we make songs that they catch it and keep you connected like Tetris.
Rhythm won't stop my rhythm, you gotta understand. I was meant to hit them with more tracks back to back, stack on them, moving the crowd by connecting genres. I'm not gonna stop this hip-hop, pop, rock, trance. Shake that ass, pop, lock, dance, move your hands. Hollywood man, bounce up to the floor, but chippy, feeling nauseous. Can't stand still and your back is arching. Be cautious, cause more than often kids get bent to this music, pumping on the floor, walking, bobbing the head though. You never know, you really gotta connect those. So keep moving, non-stop, don't stop. Movement and music, it's hot.
We make music, some people call it hip-hop, trance, dance, rock, hip-hop, it don't matter, it's hot. We call it music, 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 music. So we make songs that they catch it and keep you connected like Tetris. We make music, some people call it hip-hop, trance, dance, rock, hip-hop, it don't matter, it's hot. We call it music, 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 music. So we make songs that they catch it and keep you connected like Tetris. Call it hip-hop, trance, dance, rock, hip-hop, it don't matter, it's hot.
Shake that ass, pop, lock, dance,
It's hot,
dance, dance,
it's hot.
dance, dance, dance.
Give me the mic so I can get the crowd hype and make them. If you got a bubble butt, make it. If you got some D cups, make them. If you got an apple bottle, make it. Justine, make them big old titties. We make music. Some people call it hip hop, trance, dance, rock, hip hop. It don't matter, it's hot. We call it music. So we make songs that they catch it and keep you connected like Tetris. We make music. Some people call it hip hop, trance, dance, rock, hip hop. It don't matter, it's hot. We call it music, 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 music. So we make songs that they catch it and keep you connected like Tetris.
You ready? Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat or the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still leaving him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, now the picture connects, never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote, his will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds, the skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% fear, be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the crystal method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Ryu had the stupidest verse, this dude is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stocks through the roof. I heard him fucking with that stock.
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
They call him Ryu He's sick and he's spitting fire and Mike got him out the dryer, he's hot. Found him in Fort Minor with top, but a fucking nihilist porcupine. He's a prick, he's a cock. The type women wanna be within rappers, hope he gets shot. 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with your notice taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime, his shit is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of shit that comes out of this kid's throat. He's not your everyday on the block. He knows how to work with what he's got, making his way to the top. He don't think it's a comment on his name. People keep asking him, was it given that birth that doesn't stand for an acronym? No, he's living proof. Let him rock in the booth. He'll get you buzzing quicker than a shot of vodka with juice. Him and his crew are known around as one of the best. Dedicated to what they do and give 100%.
Forget Mike, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time because he writes every note and he writes every line. And I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like a design is written in his head every time before he even touches a key or speaks in a rhyme. And those motherfuckers he runs with, the kids that he signed, ridiculous, without even trying. How do they do it?
This is 10% luck, 20% skill,